Welcome back, YouTube, to Peterson Auto. Today we're doing an update, I guess, on the 96. That's not a truck, it's a part of a tailgate? Yeah. Well, really, this is all I want to cover. I got this tailgate here now. There'll be another video about a trailer. That's why I'm doing this tailgate. So, I've cut a huge old chunk out of it now. Why would I do that? Well, got a gooseneck trailer. Paired this little section in here. It'll take some filler and a little more grinding, but it'll be good. It's a tailgate. It's going to get beat up at one point in time, I'm sure. But I want something that looks half decent. So, well, obviously the latch is missing. What do we got going on there? I have holes. I have one drilled there, and this one has not been drilled yet. I got these real cool, nifty little push button things. Let's grab another one. I think they're technically supposed to be hood pins. There's going to be one here and one there. All you do is push the button and it'll pop out. It's set up kind of like a hood pin, but it claps onto a ball end. I know, I'm not prepared. Horrible. The backside will collapse onto that ball end, which will go through that hole I drilled, and you push the button and it just collapses out. Nice, sleek look. This tailgate's not going to go up and down much anymore, for the 96 especially, because I have trailers. I have the military trailer. I can haul stone in that. So, you know, it is what it is. I like this design. Thought it was cool. Thought I'd show you guys that. I got these ones off of Amazon, I think, actually. Good luck getting anything off of Amazon with the quarantine. But with the quarantine, I've got a lot done. So that's a good thing, too. So I took the original tailgate, and I cut the... If I can, hold on. Let's get this put down. There we go. So I cut the, this section right here out of the top part and grafted it in. So we have this really cool feature here. Where they join together. I think that's pretty neat. Take a bit of body work, but the grinding's mostly done on it. I have some touch-up stuff to do, and then obviously some welds down here holding it together. But those haven't been touched yet. Over here on this side, you can see I filled it with flat stock. I kind of like that look. It's going to keep water from pulling up or snow pulling up or anything, so I'm okay with that. It's not the straightest and most perfect. It's not a show truck. You know, I could have trimmed this inside edge down a little more, made it match this one, got it all perfectly flat. It's not a show truck. It's got to look good from about 10 feet, and it's got to have some paint on it. That's really all it's going to be. That pin I showed you earlier with the ball on it goes right in that hole. I'm going to have to notch this out a bit so I can get more room in there, so I can get the, my hand in there to get the hardware on the back side to hold it in. Then I'll have two little pieces of angle that stud will mount on. We'll have a finished tailgate there. So, you know, kind of cool thing I'm doing with the 96 there. Definitely going to be a lot more coming with that here soon. And hopefully, if this quarantine keeps up, I'll be able to keep doing videos. Because unfortunately, I'm non-essential right now. Caterpillar equipment doesn't need serviced because no one's using it. So here I am, staying at home, working on projects. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, check out the video on the trailer that'll be posted in the related videos.